Hello, little reader. Come closer to the fire. Today we will read small words and short sentences. We will go slowly. First, we read one word. Then we read a sentence. Reading is not scary. Reading is just looking, listening, and trying again. Card 1. Dad. This word is dad. Say it with me. Dad. D-a-d. Dad. Good. Card 2. Dan. This word is Dan. D-a-n. Dan. Dan is a name. Say it again. Dan. Card 3. Dana. Now look. Dana. 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 It is a longer name. Say it slowly. Dana. Dana. Anne. This word is Anne. A-n. Anne. Short and simple. Anne. Anna. Now we read Anna. 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 Anne and Anna look almost the same. Anne. Anna. Very good. Ada. This word is Ada. A-da. Ada. Say it again. Ada. Dan. You know this word. Dan. Read it again. Dan. Excellent. When a word comes back, your brain remembers it. Look. This word is look. Look means use your eyes. Look. Say it. Look. Dad. You know this word. Dad. Read it. Dad. Bag. This word is bag. B-a-g. Bag. A bag can hold things. And. This word is and. And joins words together. A bag and a banana. Banana. This word is banana. Ba-na-na. Let's say it slowly. Banana. Look, Dad, a bag and a banana. Let's read slowly. Look, Dad, a bag and a banana. Now read it together. Look, Dad, a bag and a banana. Good. Dad is looking. What does Dad see? A bag and a banana. I. This word is I. It is one letter. When I say I talk about myself. I am. This word is am. Am. Say it. Am. Dan. You know this name, Dan. I am Dan. Let's read. I am Dan. I am Dan. Good. The person tells us his name. He says, I am Dan. Bed. This word is bed. B-e-d. Bed. A bed is where we sleep. Say it again. Bed. Dan, look, a bed. Let's read slowly. Dan, look, a bed. Now together. Dan, look, a bed. Good. Dan is looking. What does Dan see? A bed. I am Anna. My name is Anna. It's nice to meet you. I am Anna. Let's review some simple words together. Dad, Dan, Dana, Anne, Anna, and Ada. Now, look at these objects. A bag and a banana. I am here and I am in bed. Wonderful. You read words. You read names. You read sentences. That is real reading. Every word is a little key. Today, you opened the first door. Rest now, little reader. The fire is warm. The words are waiting. And next time, we will read even more.